Hi everyone, my name is Angie Candell and different Etsy shops where I hand make wedding items and also garden related items. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a recent custom order that I did for a client. So these are little mini mailboxes that I hand painted and hand lettered. I originally just had one on my Sarah Sue's Garden Etsy shop, and this client contacted me and she asked if I was able to make 3 of them. I just happened to have 2 more little mailboxes, so I was like, sure, I can do that for you. So for this project, the client wanted mini mailboxes, and it was going to be for 3 kindergarten classes so they could send mail to each other. And so I wanted the boxes to be very similar, which is a challenge for me because I like to do things one of a kind, which means that I generally don't ever the same thing twice, let alone 3 times. So this was definitely a big challenge for me. But I ended up doing all 3 mailboxes with the same theme of the purplish pink cosmos flowers. And then each of the fronts also had the name of the classroom. So here's a little snippet of the work I did. I try to make them as close to each other as possible while also making them individual as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like a custom order placed, feel free to contact me. My Etsy shop is sarahsuesgarden.etsy.com. Thanks, guys.